Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, when the news came here, what it done for us, guys. If you remember, us we used to be here, that one here, the green one, that the last candle of the last video we put for you. Look what the news done for you guys here. That's what me I told you yesterday. Don't open any order unless after the CPI news coming. And that's what happened, guys. And here what else we said. If you want to enter here in the daily, guys, what else we said here? Here in the daily, what else we said? Here we said we got here inside bar, yes or no? And we said if it's broken down, you enter short. Same thing we said it here in that zone here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Now what happening here in the daily, guys? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. That level here of between 18 to 17k. So we don't know if it's going to hold or not, but here it's showing that candle here, which is going now. It's showing a rejection down here because now is the European close. I think now it's going to make a correction. Then maybe it's going to drop again. So should you enter now here in the daily? Not yet, guys. Not yet. It's still very, very, very early here in the daily, guys. Let me show you my chart, what I got for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, as you see it, still the same, that one here, that the up of that channel when it's being touched, the Bitcoin it started falling, guys. The down of the channel, I showed it to you before, but it's okay, let me show it to you again. The down of the channel is at very, very low, guys. And me personally, I think it's going to drop till here, till 15k, guys. That's why me I said maybe it's going to drop till 15k. And we got another target here at 17,207. But till now, also we're still in that level here, as you see it, that one here. That supply and demand zone hasn't been broken, guys. Till now, it's still very stronger, but the buyers are not stronger, as you see then. Every time they get it lower and lower, so there is no buyers to push up. That's why my view is going to fall down more. And down here, we got the lower of that wage. Let's see if it's going to touch it here, down. And after that, it's going to go up. I think everything is too clear here, guys. By the way, you watching me. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's very simple. Down below there is a red button. Click at it. It will become gray next to it. A bell, turn it to all. So like that you will be subscribed. And if you want to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you guys. That one, as you see it, guys, where we are touching here that trend line we have here is going up. As you see it, also being followed a lot of times. Now we touch it again here in that level here. Now either from here, from that level where we are here, to go back up, or it's going to break it, then it will going down till the oversold area. So I think you should be focused on what the market is going to do, guys, and try to collect in cash in your account, waiting the opportunity. I'm talking here about long-term investors collecting cash and waiting the right time to enter. Till now, it's not yet the right time because we're still down in that long-term trend, guys. So it's not yet. It's not yet. Remember my word. Everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much. You know that channel without you, my friend, it can't growing up. Without you. I'm talking to you watching me now. That channel it can't growing up without you. So helping us, guys. All this, if you don't like our analysis, that's another story, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you remember what else we said here. We said we got here a divergence and all those things we said it before, guys, here. And what we said here, we said is not yet. That's what else we said. We said always if it came and breaking for us that level. Did it come to it? Not yet, my friend. Also, we are going to enter, guys, only when that trend line here, that one, being broken here. Till now there is no candle showing it's going to be broken. So it's still very early for you to enter, guys. Everything is very simple here. As you see it here, look at it. The level here was still holding. The Bitcoin is still very stronger in that level, guys. So let's wait if it's going to break or not. Till now, also we are in a very bad moment, guys. And the CPI of USA today, it came a little bit good. Not that good, but a little bit good, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. And I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. You done it? Welcome to the family. Let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, what did I told in the last video? If you remember that one, I told you the Bitcoin is giving us here a W, yes or no? I told you if it's breaking here, we enter long. What it did? Did it break in there? No, look what it did. From that level here, that one, it fell down all that much. That way also using the price action, guys. Because of those things. Now from that candle here, guys, it's showing here a rejection, yes or no? Look at it down here. Should you buy? Not yet. There is no price action here indicating for us to buy. The only price action we have here is the downtrend, that one. The only price action we have, guys. Now should you buy? Not yet. Unless if it came and breaking for you here, we'll enter long here in the 4 hours me I'm talking. And here, look here, that zone here, what the 200 moving average showing you there, guys? Showing it started falling, yes or no? What did I told you about that level here? I told you we are resting here, yes or no? Now here, the 200 moving average showing it started trending down. So let's see if that level where we are now is going to hold or not. The Bitcoin tell now that candle which is going now, it's showing a big rejection from down, guys. By the way, that candle, it's left for it 1 hour. If it finish like that, there is no buying. But if it finish giving you a pin bar or going up, maybe something is going to change, guys. And I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finish it. So like that, why me every time I tell you guys, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to see our other indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, it's enter here at the oversold area here in the 4 hours. And what did I told you about that one when it's enter here at the oversold area? I told you it's very rare he enter there, yes or no? And I told you when he entered there, it's 90% there is a big correction going to come, guys, yes or no? Look how it happened here last time. Should you buy now? Not yet, my friend. There is no price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Price action, I show it to you in the chart. There is nothing yet. So there is a reverse is going to come, but not yet, guys. It might don't want to stay here at the oversold and the price to fall down till 10k, guys. Everything is too clear here. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go now and do it, please. You done it? And please write with it a comment helping us, guys. I know you do it. Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you guys. That one, if you remember from here, from the double top, also we tell you to enter, yes or no? Look here where we go, guys. We are here at the oversold area. Should we enter? No, it's still very early. There is no price action here. It's telling us to enter, guys. The only price action we have here is that one. I showed it to you before. I told you we have here a triangle, and that triangle here, it's showing now here the Bitcoin. That candle here, it's showing a rejection. If it came and breaking here, we will enter long. And another one, I showed it to you just a few minutes ago, that one. The downtrend, that one. If it came and break it high, you enter long, because that one you can even draw in here at channel, guys, a down channel as you see it. We touch the lower of it here. Now it need to come up and to break higher, guys. If it's breaking higher here, we will enter long. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. Yes, also we are at the oversold, and as I told you, those ones, they are just oscillators. They are not working 100%. Those ones, yes, they gave you are at the oversold and the overbought, but you need the price action. The price action doesn't repent itself. Those ones, as you see them, look here, where it's enter at the oversold, it enter here. Where it go out, till down here. Look how many losses you will be doing, my friend. That's why also we told you those ones, they are just oscillators. But if you follow here the price action, where is the price action here? It just came like that, not the price action you have. It's breaking here, you enter long, yes or no? Take profit of us, it's being here, and that one also we enter in it. Not the power of our analysis, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, if you remember what else we said before, we enter long here, guys, yes or no? And here, when it touching the 200 moving average in that zone, in the last video you can find it. I told you take profit here, yes or no? Look what it done after that. And although we enter short, although we make very decent profit, but when there is news, don't trade, guys. Remember my word. When there is news, don't open any order. Now, in that zone where we are, guys, what should you do? Look with me here. What you have here? Here, and you came like that. What you have? You have a down channel, yes or no? We touch the lower of it here. Now, either that one to come and to break higher here, or to come down to break lower, guys. Should you enter now? Not yet. There is no price action here in that zone indicating for you is the right time for you to buy. Maybe in the future the market is going to move here few candles, then it will give you here a price action that the right time for you to enter. Now there is nothing confirmed, guys. It's still very early here in 30 minutes for you to enter. Let's see our indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one what it's saying. Where you are at the oversold area. The last video will be in here. That's why I told you here in that zone take some profit. Here we are at the oversold area. There is no price action. We will not enter, guys. We will not enter when we are just because of that indicator. Indicator is just as oscillator, guys. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel. His name how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to that video in the description of it. You're going to find the source code of that indicator and install it in your trading view. And even in that video we show you how to install it in your trading view. Everything is very simple. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.